Right, hi everybody. So in this video here, we're going to solve the equation 12x cubed minus 48x squared plus 36 equals 0. And we're going to factor to do it. And now the first thing I see when I take a look at these values here, I see a common factor of 12 between the 12, the 48, and the 36. So I know I can pull out a factor of 12. And then in addition, there's an x that's common to each and every term here. So I'm going to factor out that x there. That's going to leave me with x squared minus 4x plus 3 equal to 0. So I've got these two factors multiplied together. Now, this is okay, except this one right here, it's not quite as factored down as I would like it to be. Um, we can solve that. We can use the quadratic formula to solve that, but it would be much easier if I could break it down into a couple of linear factors. So I know that in order to get that x squared there, I have to have x's in the first positions for both of those binomial factors. And now factors of 3, well, the nice thing about 3 is it's prime, so my factors of 3 will be 1 and 3. Now, when I multiply this out, when I multiply out the outer terms and the inner terms, I need the sum here to be equal to 4. So this is going to be 1x, this is going to be 3x, and I need those to add up to, specifically negative 4x. And that's only going to occur if both of those terms are negative. Now, I know, now that I've made that choice here, I know that my sum is going to be negative 4. I got to just check to make sure that my product there now is going to be negative 3. And negative 1 times negative 3 is positive 3. So that works. Okay, so I've got it factored down here. So now I've got what's essentially these three factors here. And when I know that when I multiply them together, I'm getting an answer of 0, which means one of these factors must be 0. Well, which one is it? Well, on the first one here, if I divide by 12, I'm going to get x equals 0. So if x equals 0, that would work. And actually, that makes a lot of sense. If you just take a quick look and plug 0 back into the original, you'll see everything cancels and away we go. Bring the 1 over. If x equals 1, that would work. And you can check that by just plugging that back into the original equation and look at it. And you'll see that you'll get 12 minus 48, it's going to be negative 36, plus 36 equals 0. And that's true. And then over here, finally, we'll get x is equal to 3. And if you plug 3 in here, in back up into the original, you'll find that, again, you will get 0 equal to 0. And then I'm not going to do that right now just for the sake of brevity here. But here are my three solutions. X could be equal to 0, 1, or 3 for this particular equation.